In just 72 hours, a bustling tourist city in Thailand was erased from the map, on land and reappeared as a vast inland sea. Cars turned into floating junk, tourists got trapped inside hotels, and the government had to deploy an aircraft carrier to deliver food and rescue people. The most terrifying part? This city isn't even on the coast. This is the story that just happened in Hat Yai, Thailand, in 2025. Welcome to Global Weather Disasters, the channel that tells the stories of extreme weather and climate-driven disasters around the world. In this video, we'll see how Hat Yai went underwater, why its flood protection system still failed, and what this means for cities across Southeast Asia in an age of extreme rainfall. If you live in a city and have ever wondered what would happen if we got hit by record-breaking rain, then watch this video till the end. Hat Yai is the largest city in Songkhla province, a major commercial, tourism, and transport hub in southern Thailand. It attracts visitors from Malaysia and Singapore and plays a key role in the natural rubber industry. But it's also known for something much darker. It's one of Thailand's flood hotspots. In 1988, a major flood caused severe damage. In 2000, at least 20 people were killed. In 2010, around 80% of the urban area was flooded. Water reached up to 2 meters in some places, and more than 10,000 people were trapped in their homes. After those disasters, Hat Yai developed the so-called Hat Yai model levees, retention ponds, drainage canals, early warning systems. It seemed like the city was finally safe. Until the record-breaking rains at the end of 2025. In the last days of November 2025, southern Thailand was hit by intense rainfall, driven by a strong northeast monsoon combined with a tropical convergent zone. Over just 3 days, some locations recorded over 600 millimeters of rain, a level considered record-breaking in decades. Around November 22nd to 23rd, Hat Yai issued urgent warnings. Water levels in canals and rivers were rising quickly. Over 100 communities were told to prepare for evacuation. Residents were urged to move belongings upstairs and get ready to leave their homes at any moment. Water rushed down from surrounding hills right when the rain had not yet stopped, pushing rivers and canals around Hat Yai beyond their safety limits. The city was declared a red disaster zone. Streets turned into rivers. Key routes connecting Hat Yai and Songkhla were cut off. Markets, malls, and hotels were swallowed by murky floodwater. In many areas, the water reached around 2 meters deep. Cars were submerged, and people had to use boats, rubber dinghies, makeshift floats just to move around inside the city. Power outages spread, food supplies ran low, and many tourists were stuck inside hotels for 1 to 2 days, surviving only on instant noodles and bottled water. The Thai government deployed the aircraft carrier HTMS Chakri Naruabet, along with helicopters, boats, and medical teams. The aircraft carrier became a floating hospital and a field kitchen. Its kitchens cooked thousands of meal portions per day and shipped them into the flood zone. Rescue teams used boats and high-clearance vehicles to evacuate the elderly, children, and the sick from deeply flooded neighborhoods. When the water finally began to recede, Hat Yai re-emerged with destroyed homes, damaged infrastructure, and hundreds of thousands of people facing one hard question. Where do we even start to rebuild? First, extreme weather conditions. A powerful northeast monsoon collided with warm, moist air from the sea and an active tropical convergence zone, creating days of intense, persistent rainfall. The total rainfall far exceeded the design limits of the existing drainage and flood protection system. Second, topography and rapid urbanization. Hat Yai sits in a low-lying basin surrounded by low hills. Rainwater from the upstream catchments rushes down very quickly and converges right where the city is located. At the same time, rapid urbanization has paved over many ponds, fields, and open land. Concrete and asphalt replace natural soil, which means far less water can soak into the ground. So extreme rainfall doesn't just cause river flooding, it becomes urban flooding. Water spreads across roads and neighborhoods with nowhere to go, pooling in the lowest areas of the city. Third, climate change. A warmer climate allows the atmosphere to hold more moisture. When that moisture is released, we get extreme rainfall events like Hat Yai 2025, where just a few days of rain equals a historic flood. Floods that used to be called once in 100 years may be turning into once in 10 years events. Hat Yai is not an isolated case. From Bangkok, Jakarta, and Manila to coastal cities in Vietnam, all of them are facing the same question. Is our city truly prepared for a record-breaking rainfall event or not? If you found this story useful, hit like and subscribe to Global Weather Disasters so you don't miss upcoming videos about hurricanes, floods, wildfires, and other extreme weather events around the world. Drop a comment and tell us, do you think your city could handle a rainfall event like Hat Yai just went through? Thanks for watching all the way to the end. This is Global Weather Disasters. See you in the next episode, where we uncover the true power of weather and climate.